In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to remove ads from websites and apps on your phone. It's super simple to do and it's really quick. So let's get started. First, I'm on a website. There's ads everywhere. There's one here. There's a banner down here that follows us everywhere. There's one right here. Cool feature in Safari on your iPhone. If you tap on the search bar or address bar to open it wider, you'll see a little icon like this. It's a square with 2 lines under it. If you tap on that, you have the option to hide distracting items. And it says here, hiding distracting items will not permanently remove ads and other content that update frequently. That's okay. We're just going to do this for this one article. So now that we have that activated, it says here, select an item. Just tap on something and then tap hide. Tap on this one. Let's hide that. There's one at the top of the screen as well. There it is. Let's tap on that. And you can just hide all the ads like that manually. There's a big gap here where that ad used to be. And you know what? That's fine. At least there's no ad, right? And now our icon over here has changed to be a little eyeball. And I went somewhere else. I didn't stay on the same page. So now it's changed to be a little eyeball that hides distracting items. You see that ad that appeared under my finger, but then it went away? That's because it's actively hiding those things as they pop up. This one's still here though. So it's not perfect. It doesn't do a 100% job, but it works pretty well. And it doesn't work across websites. It only works on this one. So this is the least effective way to do it, but it's still something you can try if you want. The second way I want to show you is in the settings for the Safari app. So let's find our settings app. Let's tap on it to open it. Make sure you're on the main settings list. Go down to the very bottom. Tap on apps. Tap on the S to get to the S section and find Safari. Tap on Safari to open it. Scroll down a little bit. Under General, you're going to see a block pop-ups option. Mine's already turned on. If yours is not turned on, turn that on because a lot of ads come in as pop-ups. So make sure that's on and that'll reduce ads that you see on websites. Before we get to the third and most powerful method, like and subscribe if you're getting value from this video. It really helps the channel, really helps us grow this channel and deliver more awesome content to you. So I really appreciate it if you could do that. Just like and subscribe, just takes a second. For the third and most powerful method, we have to go to a website and install something from that website. The website's called AdGuard DNS.io. As far as I know, this website's legit and it doesn't do anything bad to your phone, doesn't break anything, just blocks ads. So tap in the address bar up here, type in the address, and that's AdGuard-DNS.io. Tap on enter to go there. It's totally free as well. Then you want to get to a specific page on this website. To do that, tap on these 3 stacked icons up here, or a hamburger icon as it's sometimes called, and tap on public DNS. You can install AdGuard as an app, or you can configure the DNS manually, which just adds some settings into your settings so you don't need an extra app for it. That's this option right here. You can try either one to see which one works best for you. It has options for many different devices. We're using iOS, so we'll tap on that. You can use the default server, you can use a non-filtering server, and you can use a failing protection server. It describes each one down below. I'm going to tap on or keep it on the default server and then download configuration profile. Just tap on that button, tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Review the profile in the settings app if you want to install it. Okay, so now it's downloaded the information it needs to our phone to be able to filter ads. We just got to now allow it. So let's head into the settings. Let's go back out to the main settings list. Should be near the top somewhere. There it is, profile downloaded. Tap on that. Here it has information about it. You can tap on more details to learn more. You can also remove download a profile if you change your mind. And if you tap on install, it's going to install it on your phone. Just enter your passcode on the screen. Here it has a warning. The network traffic of your phone may be filtered or monitored by a DNS server. AdGuard is a legit company, but what they do with that information, I don't know, to be honest. So if you don't want your traffic monitored, then don't install this. You have to have the traffic monitored to be able to remove ads from your websites and your browsing and YouTube and stuff. So it's kind of a catch-22. So you have to decide if you want to install this or not. I'm going to tap install and then install again. Let's see if we can get back to that website they were on before, where we blocked the ads the first time. There it is. Let's turn off this hiding distracting items. Tap on show hidden items, so it should bring the ads back. Let's refresh. We can see there's the word advertisement there, but the ad itself is blocked. Same thing here. It shows the word advertisement, but the ad's blocked. This is the website itself. This is not an ad, even though it kind of is an ad. The website has an ad for you to get their app, but that doesn't really count as advertising per se. At least not the kind that we're blocking. And if we go to a different article on this page, let's look at this Angry Guys article, and the ads are blocked. Sweet. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. If you want more space on your phone, this is something you should do on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.